Hello everyone, today I'm going to do something different from my previous videos. Today I'm going to make a Manipuri dish called Utti. So let's see the process how it is made. The next step is to chop some of the spring onions. As you have seen, I have already boiled some of the peas, which is also called matar in Hindi.
Nungshi Maithongdo,
and one of the reminder to my viewers is that I stay away from home, so I don't have good utensils. So please pardon me if my utensils are dirty or if they do not look good. Again, we are going to chop some of these Chinese chives, which is also called maroi nakopi in Manipuri. And next I'll be preparing all the ingredients. Some of you, especially my non-Manipuri friends, you might not know what this is. This is called haribob. These are peels of a fruit called haribob, which is a citrus fruit, and I will find out what this is called in English. Alright, let me also chop some of the gingers. The next step is to add the spring onions and the chopped Chinese chives to the boiled matar. And while boiling, let us add some sodium bicarbonate powders, or what we call soda. And after that, I'm adding haribob and some of the leftover spring onions. Now I'll be chopping some of the onions and garlics, which I'll be frying them and use for seasoning the dish. So let's see how it is done. Again, I'm chopping some coriander for seasoning. Koi tamu ikena keno gore main thongba gore main thongba je hau hau mane or bilna keno gore yerum gore da ngasai bai di thong thuma men dish ai isa ma ki khut na thong mani keng